All right, we got some fun opened ones, and we've got some fun sealed ones, and we have just one more cube. Which one do you want to open? What?
There's only one.
Oh, I know. I know.
What's it gonna be? Let's go.
This is it. This is it.
This one doesn't look right.
A common Juno. We don't have we have a common Juno out of the packaging?
Yes.
We do, right? And we have...
And we have one in the box.
Okay.
One to play. One out of the package.
Uh-huh.
And one to trade. And one
in the package.
To stay in the package.
There we go.
Forever.
Right. There you go. So, right. That's right. We have our Juno out. And now we have our two Junos in. So if anybody needs a Juno when trading opens, we have one. Cool. All right, bud. Well, that's it. Oh, and while we're here... There we go. It was this one. And maybe... Oh, here's where we want to go. Here we go. Now we can see them all, right? Is this where all the rarity levels are going to be?
Yes.
Here we come. All right.
Okay.
Here's our commons.
We have all these guys.
All right. And then uncommons. We don't have any uncommons. Look at that, huh? They're all like spotted kind of looking ones, like cheetah and...
Cheetah kinds.
Yeah, he's a little stripey. Okay. And then rares. We have two of the three. He looks like he's wearing overalls. Looks like he's wearing like a jacket. He's cute.
It looks like he's wearing some...
I didn't notice. His eyes are like hearts.
Oh, yeah, his eyes are still pretty cursed.
And then here are the epics, and we have one of those. I think we got the best of the three epics. I like this purple one better than the others. Cool. And the legendaries. Ah, like all like neon colors. Look at that. I like this one here, and then I like Comet and the neon ones. The legendaries.
I like that one.
Yeah, you like Juno. And then the Grails. Ooh, which Grail do you like best? I know which one I do. Alfie?
Yeah.
Me too. Yeah. And then Ultra Grails. Whoa, they're like gold.
Let's go to the He-Mans, and those are also gold. Ultra Grails.
They're like that bluish, that glowing blue one.
Don't we have those?
We don't have any Ultra Grails.
Yeah. Never did.
All right, so real quick. And this is only the wave 2s. So, but the Grails and Ultra Grails. Oh, yeah. The legendaries have that gold metal look on the He-Mans.
Did we look at the legendaries?
And
Ultra Grails blue.
Yeah. Grails black and yellow, Ultra Grails blue, and the legendaries are golden, these guys. Now, there's one more thing here, right? We don't have any cubes right now, but if you remember, when we bought all the He-Man stuff, we are eligible to get some special He-Man cubes. They haven't come yet, but when they do, we'll be getting some of those because we did all the things to get the special ones. So there'll be some special edition He-Man cubes coming our way before long. All right, we already earned them. We just got to wait for them to be given out, and then we'll have more to open.
Yep.
Cool. All right, that's all the cubes we have for now, but you know us. We will be back with more fun stuff before long. We really love this, and we love that you guys love it. And you know, the comments and the things that we get from everybody, how excited you are about these videos, makes our day. So we'll be back with more, for sure. Right? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Cool. All right. Well, say bye, Nikki.